So what are snap-ins? Snap-ins are laminated pages that snap in and snap out of a spiral printed planner or journal. Snap-ins are a low-cost, practical, and simple way to enhance your coaching system and add value to your planner design. Here are 3 ways that you could use snap-ins. Create a one-pager of your coaching methodology or daily reminders that clients can then snap out and post in a visible spot on their fridge or bulletin board to keep on track. Another idea is to design a custom bookmark, a handy tool during workshops and virtual coaching sessions to keep track of your client's progress. The third way you can use snap-ins is to create a snap-in dry erase board and marker. This is a smart way to transform an undated planner. Each month, clients can add dates and to-dos and goals and provides a reusable and visible snapshot of the month. There are so many ways that you can use snap-ins to stand out. Have an idea? We'd love to print it.